Hello everyone, this is Dmitry Lavrov, and I decided to try a new format using one of the features from TradingView. I hope this format will help me to represent my trading ideas and market overviews with more details, and it will help you to understand my way of trading much better. I would like to start from Bitcoin market because it is one of the most popular on TradingView, and I will use one of my trading strategy in combination with technical tools like lines and levels. Here is the daily time frame. And several days ago, we got a very interesting upward movement and a signal. The price broke the downtrend line, and at the same time, this downtrend line is the upper line of a chart pattern like a symmetrical triangle. This breakout gave us a trend reversal signal and confirmation that probably the market will move upward. When the price moved above the downtrend line and reached 7,500 level, this is the resistance level, the market dropped, and now we have price at 6,500 level. This price movement gives me a signal that bulls still they are not ready for pushing market upward, and they are not ready to start a new uptrend. In spite of DMI indicator tells us that it is time for bulls, and the X line moves above 20 level, confirming trend, market conditions, and possible uptrends. This combination of candles and price action tells more that the market probably continue the sideways movement between the support and one of resistance levels. Probably the upper level of the range will be this resistance at 7,500, and we will see the sideways movement up to a rather interesting support zone formed by the uptrend line and 6,000 support level, which is rather strong, and we can see how the price bounced from this level several times before. We can think that this zone probably will be a good starting point for a new upward movement, but it can be only if we will have fundamental support, because now it looks like the market doesn't have any power for any strong movements, and that's why sideways movement looks more logical. If we look at another indicators like, for example, MACD, it also confirms that it's time for range markets. You can compare the movements of MACD lines and histogram in this zone and in the previous zone, just in order to understand better that lines and histogram moving at the signal zero level. It's just another confirmation of low volatility period and sideways movement. if compared with another strong price movements up and down, where MACD lines also moved up and down with a wide range. Another indicator confirming low volatility and possible sideways movements. It is Bollinger Bands. We can see that the lines moves not far from each other, and it's another confirmation of sideways movement, which can be for some time more. So there is another indicator like RSI, which is not far from the middle range, and it in such conditions it doesn't provide any signals. So the price doesn't reach overbought zone or oversold zone, and any reversals won't be confirmed by RSI because these signals won't be so strong. I think the market will continue such sideways movement until a solid positive fundamental news. If we will have it, and for example, this event will be not far from this support zone, we will be ready to see starting a new uptrend, or if this zone will be broken and the news won't be so good for Bitcoin, probably the price will reach the previous support levels at 5,000 and 3,000. I'm not sure that this year we will see any strong movements, but for the next year, I think more logical movement will be upward, because the markets have some potential for reaching previous resistance levels, and it corrected the movement from previous all-time highs. And now it looks like we have just something like a bottom. But if, I will repeat again, if we have not so good news for crypto, for Bitcoin, it will be possible to see the fall. Another thing I would like to pay attention, how people will react at this possible support zone. Maybe based on only technical analysis, the price will be able to move at least at 8,000 level, or maybe it will reach even 10,000 level. We will see when the price will be in this zone. But now I think probably it's time for sideways movement. So here is my ideas about these markets. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments, your opinions. I will read all your comments, and I will try to reply the most interesting. And if you like this format, please support me by your likes, and I will do more posts like this, and I will have a live broadcast soon. So please follow me, and keep your eyes on the status in order to get more details when I have this live broadcast, and how to join. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day. Have a profitable trading. Bye bye.